Demavo threaded USB car charger series, featuring a standard blue LED. Custom colors available. Available in classic black or white, with more colors customizable. Available in both semi-threaded and full-threaded versions. Supports simultaneous multi-device power supply. YM1300. Offering configurable rear terminals. Pin or wire connection can be customized. Custom length specifications available. UV-resistant white finish to prevent yellowing. Full product range features flame-retardant materials. And equipped with overload, overheat, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. Optional waterproof or dustproof covers available. Self-resealing cover for enhanced water resistance. The threaded design enables quick and secure flush mounting. Quick installation, sleek appearance. Widely used in various fields including vehicles, equipment, marine, and home applications. Demavo provide power and lighting solutions.